A revolution is happening behind the closed doors of China's massive industrial parks. This is a quiet revolution, powered by robots and data. Welcome to the world of dark factories where manufacturing is being redefined. The image of made in China is fading, replaced by gleaming machines moving in perfect sync, operating in near total darkness. This isn't just a tech story, it's a business story that touches every global supply chain and every consumer. To stay competitive, manufacturers are betting big on automation, investing billions in robotics, AI, and the Internet of Things. It's about building a new, faster, smarter industrial model. What happens to the millions of workers whose jobs are at risk? What new vulnerabilities come with relying on complex automated systems? The silent, humming factories of China are sending a clear message. The future of manufacturing has arrived. Our investigation takes you deep into this new industrial landscape. This is more than a story about robots. It's about the future of work and the global economy. And it starts here, in the automated halls of China's dark factories. The transformation is irreversible. We'll see not just how things are made, but how the world itself is being remade. This is the story of China's dark factories. Let's step inside. What is a dark factory? The name is literal. These are facilities that run almost entirely on automation with little to no human presence. Robots and automated systems work in the dark 24/7, saving energy and symbolizing a shift from human-centric to machine-centric manufacturing. Inside, you'll find robotic arms welding, painting, assembling, and packaging with superhuman precision. Autonomous mobile robots glide silently, transporting materials and products. Everything is connected through the industrial Internet of Things. Thousands of sensors feed data to powerful AI systems. The AI optimizes production, predicts maintenance, and spots quality issues before they happen. Human roles are transformed. Technicians and engineers monitor the system from a control room, analyzing data and programming machines. The traditional blue-collar worker is replaced by a new-collar worker, someone whose main tool is a computer, not a wrench. A dark factory is more than robots. It's a self-regulating ecosystem, the peak of Industry 4.0. The factory becomes a living, thinking entity, adapting, learning, and operating with efficiency and consistency beyond human capability. This is the new benchmark for modern manufacturing. The shift to dark factories is a hard-nosed business decision, driven by rising labor costs and a shrinking workforce. China's manufacturing wages have more than tripled in a decade, and finding workers is harder than ever. Automation is the answer. Robots don't need raises, breaks, or benefits. While building a dark factory is expensive, the long-term savings are huge. Lower payroll, reduced utility costs, and fewer errors. The return on investment is now measured in years, not decades. Beyond cost, dark factories deliver operational excellence. Robots offer precision and consistency humans can't match. Product quality improves, defect rates drop, and brand reputation grows. In high-tech industries, even tiny errors are costly. Automation removes that risk. The Chinese government is fueling this shift, pouring billions into subsidies and incentives for advanced manufacturing. Initiatives like Made in China 2025 inches aim to move the country up the value chain, from assembling products to engineering the factories of the future. This top-down support, combined with business necessity, is accelerating automation at breakneck speed. The result, a new era where efficiency, quality, and resilience are the keys to survival. For Chinese manufacturers, turning off the lights is the only way to stay in the game. The world is watching and following. The age of cheap labor is over. The age of intelligent automation has begun. The question is no longer if, but how fast. Those who adapt will thrive. Those who don't will be left in the dark. Dark factories aren't just theory, they're operating in China right now. JD.com quotes Kunshan Fulfillment Center is almost fully automated, processing over 1 million orders daily. Robotic arms pick, autonomous vehicles shuttle, and machines pack. Orders move from click to shipment with minimal human touch. In electronics, Foxconn's Foxbot robots have replaced tens of thousands of workers, transforming assembly lines and retraining remaining staff for higher-skilled roles. The automotive sector is also leading. SAIC GM's Shanghai Cadillac plant uses over 400 robots, producing a new car every 76 seconds with unmatched precision. Home appliance giant Midea runs a fully automated air conditioner factory, boosting efficiency by over 50%. Even traditional industries are automating. Textile companies in Hangzhou use robots for dyeing and weaving, cutting costs and environmental impact. These aren't isolated cases. They're blueprints for China's manufacturing future. Companies across sectors are following suit, chasing the competitive edge automation brings. The result: higher output, better quality, and lower costs. The workforce is smaller but more skilled. The dark factory model is delivering real results today. China's factories are setting the pace for the world. The transformation is underway, and it's accelerating. The question isn't whether dark factories work, it's how fast others can catch up. The future of manufacturing is being built in China's automated halls. The lights are off, but the world is watching. This is the new face of industry. The benefits of dark factories are clear: efficiency, precision, and profit. Robots work 24/7, boosting output and slashing downtime. Tasks that take humans minutes are done by machines in seconds. This speed means factories can meet demand faster and scale production with agility. Precision is another game changer. Robots execute tasks with micron-level accuracy, driving up quality and slashing defect rates. In industries like semiconductors and medical devices, this is revolutionary. Higher quality means fewer recalls, less waste, and stronger customer trust. Financially, dark factories cut labor costs and optimize resource use. Robots minimize material waste, and smart systems reduce energy bills. Smaller footprints mean savings on real estate. All these efficiencies add up, transforming the cost structure of manufacturing. Flexibility is key. Retooling for new products is done through software, not retraining or rebuilding. Robots can be reprogrammed for new tasks, enabling mass customization at scale. This is the promise of Industry 4.0, personalized products at mass production prices. Dark factories make it possible. The result, a manufacturing model that's faster, smarter, and more profitable. The old rules no longer apply. In the race for efficiency and quality, automation is the ultimate advantage. The future belongs to those who embrace it. Dark factories bring efficiency but also disruption. The biggest concern: mass job losses. Low-skilled roles vanish, replaced by fewer higher-skilled positions. Millions face unemployment, and retraining isn't always accessible. Social inequality could widen as automation's gains flow to capital owners and skilled elites. Automation also creates new risks. Factories depend on stable power, internet, and software. A cyber attack or outage can halt production instantly. High capital investment locks companies into specific technologies and locations, reducing flexibility. In a volatile world, this can be a liability. The pursuit of efficiency comes with hidden costs. The challenge: balancing progress with responsibility. To understand dark factories, we must hear from those on the front lines. Dr. Li Wei, economist. Automation is inevitable. China can't compete on low wages. The government must manage the social fallout, invest in training and safety nets. Jiang Wei, former assembly supervisor. I lost my job to robots. Retraining is hard at my age. Now I'm a delivery driver. I hope my son can work with the machines, not be replaced by them. Operations manager, automated facility. Global clients demand perfection. Automation keeps business in China. We have fewer floor workers, but more tech jobs. The workforce is changing, not disappearing. Sarah Jensen, supply chain consultant. Risks have shifted. Now it's about cybersecurity and system resilience, not labor unrest. Diversification is key. China's automation is years ahead. The message: jobs are changing, risks are evolving, and adaptation is essential. For workers, the transition is painful and uncertain. For managers, it's about survival and competitiveness. For experts, it's a call for new policies and strategies. The automated age is here, ready or not. The winners will be those who adapt, retrain, and innovate. The losers will be those left behind by the machines. The story of dark factories is the story of change: economic, social, and personal. The future of work is being rewritten. The question: who will write the next chapter? The answer will shape economies, companies, and lives. The stakes have never been higher. The time to act is now. The automated age won't wait. The world is watching China and learning. The next move is yours. China's dark factories are shaking up the global supply chain. When labor costs no longer matter, the logic of offshoring changes. Automation could drive reshoring. Factories may return to home markets, closer to customers and with more control. The competition is now about technology, not wages. Barriers to entry are rising. Building a dark factory takes capital and expertise. This could lead to industry consolidation and new global power dynamics. Supply chain managers must rethink risk. Automation brings new vulnerabilities, from cyber threats to over-reliance on single suppliers. Diversification and resilience are the new priorities. The old playbook is obsolete. The winners will be those who master both technology and geopolitics. The global map of manufacturing is being redrawn. The future belongs to the agile and the prepared. The supply chain revolution has begun. We're at the dawn of a new industrial age. China's dark factories are a signpost, not an endpoint. The future is smarter, faster, and more automated. For business leaders, adaptation is key. This is about economics, not just technology. Competitive advantage now comes from intelligent automation, not cheap labor. The challenge? Reevaluate your manufacturing and supply chain strategy. Efficiency, quality, flexibility, and data-driven decisions are the new principles. These can be applied anywhere, in any industry. The human dimension matters. Companies must invest in retraining and upskilling. The most successful will blend human talent with machine intelligence. Automation should augment, not replace people. The journey is just beginning. Today's dark factories are only the first generation. Tomorrow's will be even more advanced, integrated, and creative. The rules are changing. Now is the time to learn, adapt, and lead. The future of manufacturing is being built today in China's quiet, humming, dark factories. The world is watching, and the clock is ticking. The next industrial revolution is here. Will you lead or be left behind?